Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share my experience of growing cauliflowers in my balcony and in containers. So let's get started. The first thing that I did was I took a seedling pot, and since it had very big holes I covered it with a paper towel, and then I'm also going to put some pebbles to make sure that the drainage is proper and the soil doesn't stay moist all the time or soggy. Next thing was that I added the seedling mix, which I prepared by adding 40% compost, 40% coco peat, and 20% perlite. So these are the seeds, guys, that I got online. They look like mustard seed for cauliflowers, and then I started planting them one by one. And trust me, guys, I was like, have I been duped? Because they looked exactly like mustard seeds, but then I had to try my luck. So then again I covered it with the same seedling mix, and then I took the name of God and just watered the pot, thinking for the best, and then I put it in a sunny location on my balcony garden. So after 7 days the seeds germinated. The germination rate was good and all of them germinated, so that was one of the big points for me. At least they germinated and they looked good. So I kept them in the same place, and after 30 days the growth was not that good, so I transplanted them into grow bags. I'm sorry I missed that update video, that got lost. So I planted two seedlings in one grow bag, just trying my luck out here, guys. So, and the potting mix that I used was 50% compost and 50% potting mix, and I planted it in two grow bags, 8-inch grow bags, and I used two saplings. So for pests I used a mix of neem oil and dish soap. I used 5 ml of both in 1 liter of water and put it in a spray bottle, and I sprayed over them. This is the result after 60 days. My plants are struggling to get the sunlight. They are in a west facing balcony, and as you can see they have all tilted towards where they can get the sun. Poor plants. For fertilization I used liquid seaweed fertilizer, organic, and I added 20 ml of this liquid seaweed fertilizer to 1 gallon of water, and then I watered my plants with it every 15 days. So this is the result after 90 days. I had kind of lost all hope with this plant, trust me, and there were just foliage, nothing happening, and my mom had even started giving me recipes for cauliflower leaves to prepare, because she used to see my sad face and was like, okay, no worries, you can make something out of the leaves. And I was like, I'm not even sure if they're cauliflower leaves, nothing is growing in there. But anyhow, I kept my fingers crossed and kept taking care of this plant, watering it, fertilizing it every now and then. And yeah, that was the result after 90 days. And then behold, the mother nature came to surprise me. There you can see a little teeny cauliflower coming out of one of the pots, and then there's the second one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you really got to have the eyes of a first-time gardener to see such improvements in your plant. It was so exciting to see the first floret come in, and it was so rewarding. And finally I was so happy, and I could show it to my mom that, hey, look, I got my cauliflowers coming out. So this is the second sapling giving out its cauliflower. The first one was growing, and this is the second one coming up, as you can see, guys. So this plant really did good. So that is the second one, and you can see that it is the size of one floret right now. But look at the size of the first one, guys. I'm so proud of this one. My fruit of my labor is finally coming to forth, and I can see it. And there is the second one, you can see, which came around the same time, and in fact all 4 of my saplings started bearing fruit. So yes, guys, this is doable. Please try it, and if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and also like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.